Hi, are you looking to kickstart your skincare routine but are unsure how? I'm Dr. Pang, and in this two-part series, I'll show you how. First, cleansing. A thorough cleanse clears your skin of oil and debris that can lead to clogged pores and dullness. Prepares your complexion for further treatment, making it easier for your skin to absorb the beneficial ingredients in the rest of your routine. Whether you choose an oil, balm, gel or cream cleanser will depend on your skin type and the concerns you hope to address. Second, toning. Whether you go for an essence, facial mist or traditional toner, toning completes the cleansing process by conditioning your skin and adding beneficial vitamins and minerals to your complexion. Unlike alcohol-based toners of the past, today's toners, essences, and facial mists support the effectiveness of your cleanser by replenishing ingredients that support your skin health. Third, exfoliating. Essential in encouraging healthy skin cell turnover, eliminating build-up, and relieving pore congestion. Exfoliants comprise gentle chemical, enzymatic, and physical varieties of home care, as well as more potent pills and treatments which must be administered by a professional. Recommend consulting with your doctor to determine the best approach for your skin type and concerns. Unfortunately, that's all the time I have for today, but do look out for part 2 coming real soon.